In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace a Hayward Widemouth skimmer. Start by draining your pool water below the skimmer faceplate. Now you can start to remove all the screws on the faceplate using a Phillips screwdriver. When you get to the last few screws, hold the backside of the skimmer bucket to prevent it from falling. Once all of the screws are removed, take off the old faceplate and remove the bucket on the outside of the pool. You can now remove the old butterfly gasket. Please be mindful of the sharp edges on the wall. You are now ready to install your new skimmer. First, you will attach the Widemouth skimmer extension to the body of the skimmer using 4 screws through the lip of the extension and 4 screws through the throat of the skimmer. Place the square gasket between the extension and the skimmer body and firmly hand tighten the screws. Now we are ready to install the wall gaskets. Carefully open both sides of the new butterfly gaskets and place one side inside of the wall and the other side outside of the wall. You are now ready to complete the skimmer install. Line up the holes on the bucket, the gaskets, and the faceplate. Insert the screws and tighten with your Phillips screwdriver. You have successfully replaced your Hayward Widemouth skimmer. If you have any questions, please contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.